Today, we're going to talk about football betting. Before you run away from all the past trauma you suffered from losing in betting, let me tell you something important. As someone who is banned from 3 betting sites due to winning consistently, I can promise you that my method is extremely unique and safe, and most importantly, it is the laziest way to make money online. So, hit that subscribe button and let's get right into the method. By watching this video, I'm going to assume that you know the basics of betting and odds. For example, for the match between Everton and Chelsea, if you bet $100 that Chelsea wins, and if Chelsea does win, you end up with $170. Or with a profit of $70. And that's all you need to know, and a bit of basic mathematics. Once you master this technique, you will be able to sit in your couch and earn thousands of dollars, the laziest way possible. Let's get to the method. For this method, we need to find mid-table teams in one of the top leagues in the world. I personally prefer English Premier League, German, Spanish, French or Italian leagues. We are going to look for teams that are placed between ranks 12 to 16. Let's take English Premier League for example. Brentford, Southampton, Leeds, Aston Villa and Burnley all fit the category. The pattern that we are going to look for is their losing streak. We will look for teams who have lost 4 games in a row. And we will start betting on these teams to win the next matches. Let me give you an example. Let's check out Southampton. In March, Southampton lost 4 games in a row. That's bad for Southampton but good for us. Here's why. A mid-table team always bounces back from 4 consecutive defeats. So it's safe to assume that Southampton will win one of the next 3 to 4 matches. And if you move forward in time, you will see that Southampton ends up winning against Arsenal. This is true for every other mid-table team in Premier League, and you can check it out yourself for other leagues I have mentioned above. And I can guarantee you that this will be true. This is huge information for us. If we know that the team will win in the next 3 matches, we can start betting money on them. Now comes the crucial part, which is how much to bet. I will give you an example with $100 and you can use the same calculation for your local currencies. Don't stress out, it's just simple mathematics and you can use calculators. So let's take the example of Southampton. By the way, the websites that I am using are SofaScore and Odds Portal. Southampton lost their 4th match in a row to Manchester City. Now, they qualify for our strategy. If your budget is $100, you need to bet in this pattern over the next 3 matches. They are $10, $25 and $65. If you're using different currency, all you need to make sure is to multiply with 2.5. Let me make it more easy. Let's say you bet $10 on Southampton against Leeds. You lose the bet since it's a draw and not a win for Southampton. For the next Southampton match, you have to bet 10 times 2.5, which is $25. Southampton loses again. For the next match, you need to place a bet for 25 times 2.5, which is $62.5, but we'll round it off to $65. But now, Southampton wins over Arsenal and the odds are 8, which is a massive win since 8 times 65 is $520. But to be more realistic, let's say the odds were only 2. Now, when Southampton wins with the odds of 2, your winnings will be 65 times 2, which is $130. And it is $30 more than your budget of $100. Here's why this is the safest, laziest method to earn money. Even if you win $10 bet or $25 bet, you will always end up making profits. Do this consistently and you will end up winning huge. I hope you understood the method. If you haven't, leave a comment down below and I will definitely help you out. Hit that like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed the video and check out these other lazy ways to make money online.